All right, second graders, this is week 6, your last week of this current unit that you have been on, and we're going to do a focus on vocabulary. So in the next screen or slide here, you'll see the different vocabulary: custom, different, diversity, family, same, and unique. And what you'll do is create a Google Slides presentation with a slide for each word. In your own words, describe the meaning of the word and include an example and picture. And if you click here, you'll be able to see an example that Mrs. D put together. And again, there's the directions here, and you're welcome to copy that slide and put it in your own presentation to remind you of the directions and what you have to do. Social Studies, grade 2, look at the sample in the next 2 slides. Your slide presentation will have 6 slides with the 6 vocabulary words and 1 title slide. Lastly, include a resource slide if you used anything from online. And here's an example of one that I did. So the word is different. I think different means when something is not the same. I can think of lots of examples. I know that the difference between Mrs. D's family and Miss Krisik's family is that Mrs. D has 1 sister and 2 brothers, and Miss Krisik has 1 sister. So our families are different. So you'll see how Mrs. D put the word up here. I wrote down what it means, and I gave a picture. And there's another one there, another example for you to look at, same. What does it mean to be the same? I think it is when something is matching. Nothing is different. For example, Mr. Demir's family is the same as Miss Krisik's. They each have 1 sister. I'm comparing that each person has 1 sister, and that is the same. And then I put a picture to show you. So that is your task for this week, focusing in on that vocabulary. And then there is a math connection, and it's just a fun, it kind of goes with our recipe theme, make a cake. So you'll celebrate yourself and your hard work and maybe even make a real cake. And if you click this link, it's just a fun math activity for you to access. You can print and color that out and then match the fractions in the different ice cream cakes and rainbow cakes. So lots of good stuff this week. If you have any questions as you're working, don't hesitate to ask your teacher.